So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you iOS 14.5 beta 2 release and what's a new everything. So guys, Apple has officially released the second beta of iOS 14.5 to developers and include the handful of new changes and features compared to iOS 14.5 beta 1. So guys, iOS 14.5 beta 2 is available to developer via an over-the-air update in Setting app. The build number for today's updates is 18E5154F. So guys, there are changes to Music app, new emojis and more. New features like new Emoji Character, Tints Fix, new shortcuts and also Apple Music features in iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, today discuss about new features about iOS 14.5 beta 2 versions in iPhone as well as iPad. The first one new features is new Emoji Character in iPhone as well as iPad. iOS 14.5 introduced new emojis character including fire on heart, mending heart, face with spiral eyes and also face in clouds along with different gender. There are also new couple emojis that have new skin tone mix. So guys, iOS 14.5 beta 2 versions many emojis character including on iPhone as well as iPad. iOS 14.5 beta 2 versions also introduce the headphone emojis in iPhone as well as iPad. The headphone emojis has been updated to look like the AirPods Max rather than generic set of the headphones in iPhone as well as iPad. In new emojis character features many emojis introduced on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, second new features Tints Fix on iOS 14.5 beta versions 2. So guys, report suggests the second beta of iOS 14.5 may fix the green tint issue that some iPhone owners have been experiencing. In some iPhone 12 models show the grey and green glow an issue on iPhone as well as iPad. After iOS 14.5 beta 2 versions after green tint, some improvement on iPhone users as well as iPad users. So guys, third new features about shortcuts in iPhone as well as iPad users. So guys, in iOS 14.5 beta versions 2 introduce the new shortcuts like taking the screenshot easily in iPhone as well as iPad. With the voice and data mode actions, there are options to select the 5G, 5G auto and 4G network options in iPhone as well as iPad. Fourth new features like Apple Music on iPhone as well as iPad. There are new shading in Apple Music for adding a song to now playing queue and adding it to Apple Music library. When long pressing on song, there are also new options to play last and show album in the library. The download button has been replaced by the three dots that can be tapped to access the whole range of the option for the songs. The actions are the same as the same action that are available when long pressing on song title anywhere in App Music. The last one is software up-to-date text in iPhone as well as iPad in software update settings. So guys, easy to download and install iOS 14.5 beta versions 2 in iPhone as well as iPad and easy to get new features about in your iPhone as well as iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and send and also follow my Instagram account. Thank you so much.